Hey, so I'm sorry to hear that you still don't understand the DNA dog project. Let's look at it together. So it says DNA dog activity. See the picture of DNA traits below. Use them to complete page 2 linked below. Read the instructions from the doggy DNA recipe traits document. So let's go below since it mentioned going below several times. Okay, so it says we're going to complete page 2. Let's open that. Okay, so it looks like you're doing something with colors and descriptions from the key. As you draw a gene from the envelope, write down the color drawn in the order that you draw them. Color has no meaning except for my grading. Please record in order drawn from the envelope. On the other side of the paper, draw and color your dog using the description from the example from the key. Give your dog a name. And then there's the questions. Okay. And then, just like I told you, here's an example of all the DNA you have. So it looks like yours goes yellow, green, orange, yellow, pink, orange, green, pink. So just from that, you can kind of guess that you are going to be filling it in. So like yellow, green, orange, pink, and then going back to the key that is right here. It's like body shape, you're going to match up the pattern on there to this. If you weren't able to extrapolate that, we can go to the second part of the instructions that told you follow the instructions on the DNA, a recipe for doggy treats. So let's open that one. Okay, so it gives us some background information here. And let's start the procedures. Follow the directions below to create a DNA recipe for a dog. Using the dog traits key, read your DNA recipe and make drawing of your dog showing all of its traits. Determine the first trait of your dog, body shape, by randomly picking a piece of DNA out of the envelope. We know that you don't have to do that because I already gave you your DNA right here. So you just start at the top of the picture. So we're going to use that first one up there. It's star, cross, spiral, puzzle piece. Okay, let's go back to the instructions. Look at the symbols on the DNA strip you have chosen. Match the pattern to one that you see on the dog traits key. So here you can either go down to the dog traits key here, or you can go back to Schoology where I put it on the main page. Okay, so let's look back at our picture. So we're looking for star, cross, spiral, puzzle piece. Star, cross, spiral, puzzle piece. Large, semi-muscular street. So that made sense here. You wrote the color of the first DNA segment, and you write the description we just read. Okay, let's go back to our instructions. Write the body shape that matches the DNA piece that you picked. So we just did that. Set the piece of DNA aside and repeat steps 1 through 3. Okay, so now we're going to look for head shape. So let's go back to this. Second one, spiral, puzzle piece, star, cross. Spiral, puzzle piece, star, cross. Spiral, puzzle piece, star, cross. So that's going to be short. So go to our worksheet, write down the color, and it has a short head. Now we're on to ears. Okay, here's our third one. Cross, puzzle piece, star, spiral. Okay, go to our... Okay. Cross, puzzle piece, star, spiral. Big droopy ears. Go back to the worksheet. Big droopy ears. So you can kind of get the pattern for what we're doing here. Then once you have this all the way full, you're going to use this description to draw a picture of your dog that's at least the size of your hand, including colors. After that, you answer these questions. I do recommend that you label the picture of your dog because if it was me drawing, you might not be able to tell